Welcome to AutoCAD 3D modeling. So for today's model, um, we can follow some different steps to create kind of similar models so that you can have ideas that how you can cope up in different scenarios with your 3D model. So for this model, first we're going to develop a rectangular block and then we apply different heights. We divide the rectangle block into two parts and then we apply different heights as they do have a different height, and then we will use circle commands to create the edges and the voids that are being present over here. So first of all, for the rectangular block, the dimensions are 1.76 along x-axis and 1.75 plus 1, that will be 2.75 along y-axis. So begin with the 3D modeling workspace. Quickly go to SE isometric view and then try to make this block of 1.76 and 2.75. So 1.76 and 2.75 and press enter. Now zoom it accordingly like this. I guess this is perfect. Next step is to create this circular end, and for that you only need two endpoints. So quickly go for 2-point circle. It creates a circle using two endpoints of the diameter or 2 point as the diameter, because this circle is touching the rectangular ends. So that will be work as the diameter of the circle and endpoint like this. Perfect. And now you can use trim command. If it works easily, it means you have done a great job. Next step is to create this circle part, and the center point for this circle is along x-axis, it will be 0.88. However, along y-axis, it is 0.5. So this coordinate will give you the center point for the circle, whereas the um, measurement for the circle is 0.25 in terms of radius. So 0.88 and 0.5. And the radius is 0.25. That's it. Now, next thing is to make these straight lines. So for this, one simple thing you can do is use the center point and create a straight line on 90-degree angle. So line could be of any length, doesn't matter. Angle should be 90-degree. Perfect. It is better to go into top view for the time being. and zoom in. Now, what was the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle was 0.25. Now offset this line to 0.25 on either side, 1 and 2. Now trim off the extra parts and then you have your final result. Perfect. Zoom out and go back to your SE isometric view like this. Next step is to make this circle and divide the whole rectangular block into two halves. So for that, you can you have a multiple options. What I'm gonna follow is to make a rectangle of 1.76 and 1.75. So 1.76 and 1.75, 1.76 along x and 1.75 along y-axis. That's it. Next step is to uh, make this circle, and this circle is present 1, actually 0.88 along x-axis, 0.88 along x-axis, and along y-axis, this is 2.75. So 2.75, this will be your center point of the circle, 0.88 and 2.75. So for the diameter, 0.88 and 2.75. Now the radius or the diameter is 0.63. Enter. That's it. Trim this line. And now the easiest step is to apply the extrusion or press and pull command to different heights. Like for this half section, the height is zero point 0.5, and for rest of the section, the height is 1. So quickly go for it. But before proceeding, you need to apply the join command like this. Press enter, and the height is 0.5. Perfect. Now, if you want to see solid model at this stage, you can see we are done halfly at this point. Next step is to apply the height of 1 for rest of the part. You can again use extrusion command, but for that, first you need to apply the join command to this part. And now extrude it. Okay, we are missing one thing. It will extrude out the whole part. Okay, it doesn't matter. Um, Again, we can further complete it and then we will use subtraction command. So this and this, just go for it. Extrude to height of 1. Or what if we use the press and pull? This will be bounded area. And then 1, zoom out. And once again, view in solid part. So, and rotate. So you see, your model is almost done. Last but not the least, don't forget to apply the union command to create it as one single piece. Now it is one single piece, and this is your model. I hope this helps you out. So, see you the next video. Thank you.